Hi, come on in. If you love all things crochet, then you are in the right place. And today I'm going to show you how to crochet the tulip stitch. It's a really pretty stitch, looks absolutely gorgeous, looks just as nice on the back, exactly the same as on the front. It's a one row repeat, although it looks more complicated. And everything you need for this will be in the description box down below, along with some links and things that you may find interesting. If you don't have everything to hand that you need for making this, then just pop it on your watch list and you can come back when you do. So we'll start with our foundation chain row, and to start that we make a slip knot. So just crossing that at the front, take your hook, put it through the middle, yarn over it, pulling it through and pulling it tight. Don't make it too tight, make sure you can still move it. Really simple, really easy. And we're going to make our chain in multiples of 4 and then add in 5 at the end. So yarn around and pull through that loop, yarn round and pull through the loop, yarn round, pull through the loop, yarn round and pull through the loop. I've made 4. You make yours as long as you need your project to be, remembering that you have to add that 5 on the end. And I'll meet you back when you've done that. So I've made my swatch of 20 plus an extra 5. Now row 1, we are going to crochet into the 5th chain from the hook. Now we don't count the one on the hook, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's the one we're going to crochet into. And we're going to make 3 UK trebles or US double crochets. So yarn around, in through that chain, yarn around and pull back through. 3 loops, yarn round, pull through 2, yarn round and pull through 2. And we're going to make 2 more the same into that same chain stitch right there. Right, in through there, pull through 2 and pull through 2. Yarn over, in through your loop, 3 on the hook, pull through 2 and pull through 2. We are going to skip 3 chains, so 1, 2, 3, and work into the next one. And we're going to put in a UK double crochet, US single, then the 3 chain, 1, 2 and 3. Then in the same loop again, the same chain stitch, we are going to make 3 UK trebles, US double crochets, just the same as we did in the last one. That's 2 and that's 3. We are going to skip the 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3, and work into the next and repeat that all over again. So a UK double crochet, US single, 1, 2, 3 chain, and then you do into this one, you do your 3 UK trebles, US double crochets, 1, 2 and 3. Then you're missing your 3 chain stitches, 1, 2, 3, and working into the 4th with a single crochet, and you're repeating that right to the end of your row, finishing with a single crochet, and I'll meet you at the end. So I've finished that row. I've finished with that last stitch. I have put my UK double crochet, US single. You can see I missed my 3 chain and put my UK double crochet US single in that last stitch. We're going to chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and turn our work. This will be the repeat row for yourselves. So we're working into this stitch right here, the one that was the double crochet UK terms, single crochet US terms from the last round, when we're going to put our 3 UK trebles US double crochets into there. So 1, oops, 2 and 3. We're going to miss out all those stitches and just work in to that chain 3 space right there, and we're going to put our single crochet, chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and then work along this side with our 3 UK trebles, US double crochet. So that's 1, 2 and 3. You miss out your stitches again and work in to the next chain space right there, and that's what you form the whole way along. 1, 2, 3. You work this the whole way along. It will be on the screen for you so that you can see what to do. If you need to stop the video and go back to the last group I did, please do, but it will be on the screen for you as well, and I'll meet you at the end of the round. So I've come to the end of the row. I have finished my last set here into that chain 3 space, and I have to do my last stitch. Now the last stitch is worked into the chain space here, so you're missing out that first 3 that you did, that first group. You're moving into here, and just like you did with the rest as you worked along, we will do a UK double crochet, US single, and then we're going to do 4 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, and turn the work. And this is just a repeat of our last row. So we start by working into the UK double crochet, US single crochet from the last round, and we're going to make our 3 treble crochets or US double crochets into there. So yarn over, exactly the same as we did in our last row, and this is the row repeat the whole way along. That's the second one in the same place, and our third one. And this row, as I said, is exactly the same as the previous one, so we are working into the chain 3 spaces the whole way along with that grouping that we've done in the last one. So single crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and 3 treble crochets or US doubles into that chain 3 space. Do that the whole way along, and I will meet you at the end again. Now again, I have done the whole way along the same, working into my chain 3 spaces, and I come to my last one. You can see that final grouping there, and we will work into that chain 3 space there with our single crochet US or double crochet UK right into there. Again, we would have our 4 chain and then start the whole procedure all over again. That is your single row repeat. Makes it look really nice and comes out really effectively. If you've enjoyed the video, then please like and subscribe. Take a look on my channel for more ideas and tutorials, and let me know what you're working on in the comments down below. Thank you for joining me, keeping me company, and I'll see you in the next one.